In Lesson 1.5, we learned that you cannot protect what you don't know you have. Today, we are going to practice this principle by conducting your first ever personal asset inventory. Grab a piece of paper or open a spreadsheet and let's build this together. We'll start with 3 simple columns. Our first asset will be personal smartphone. Under asset type, we label this as hardware. Its data classification is confidential because it contains our emails, contacts, and personal photos. Next, let's list our online banking account. This is a software and cloud service. Its classification is restricted because a compromise leads directly to financial loss. The primary risk is unauthorized access, and our safeguard must be a unique password and multi-factor authentication. Finally, let's list family photos. This is data. Its classification is confidential. The primary risk isn't someone stealing them, but physical loss due to a broken phone. Our safeguard here is a 3-2-1 backup strategy. Look at what you've just created. In less than 3 minutes, you've mapped out your personal digital ecosystem, classified your risks, and identified your defensive gaps. This is exactly what professional cybersecurity analysts do for multi-billion-dollar companies. Try building your own list today.